Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth and I'm one of the RAs here this semester, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to 2011 Pennsylvania Avenue. This is Pepperdine's campus building here in downtown Washington D.C. It's located in the Foggy Bottom neighborhood, and this means that we are super close to the National Mall, only about 3 blocks from the White House, and we're also right next to George Washington University, so there's lots of great things happening in this neighborhood. So let's go inside and take a look. To get inside the building outside of business hours, all students will key in with their ID, and we have 24/7 security to make sure that everyone is safe. This is the 4th floor. We often call it our professional floor. You can see behind me we have our main front desk. This is where any packages will come in. You can just pick them up right here. We also have a water filtration system on this floor and an information board with anything you might need to know about your semester or life in the city. Also behind me there are offices for all of our faculty and staff of the DC program. Now we're going to head this way and I'm going to show you our library here in the building. As you can see, this is a great study space. We have computers, a printer, plenty of books, anything you might need for classes. Then this way is our main classroom. So if you have class, most likely it's going to be in here. And also on this floor we have a community kitchen. So let's head over there and see what it looks like. Here is our community kitchen. So in here you'll have pretty much anything that you need to cook. We have a full refrigerator, hot plates which serve as our stove top, an air fryer, toaster oven, dishwasher, microwave, plenty of appliances, plenty of pots and pans, and students are able to access this anytime they need to. So now let's head up to the 7th floor and take a look at one of our dorms. And to get into your room, just scan in, hit your key code, and then come on in. In the entryway to each of the rooms, we have 2 chairs, and every room comes with a movie poster that depicts a DC-based film. We also have a television up in the corner that you are welcome to use. And here we have a kitchenette, so it comes with a microwave, a mini fridge, sink, countertop space, also plenty of other cabinet space that you're welcome to use for food or anything else. And dishes and silverware are already provided for you here. Now coming into the bedroom area itself, we have bedding already provided for you. It also comes with a desk that you can use for homework, remote work, anything else you might need. And you can also see that there is plenty of storage space all throughout the room. All above the desk, there's also a bedside table that you are welcome to use, and even more storage underneath the bed. Coming over to the closet, you can see lots of hanging space, so all of your clothes definitely going to fit in here. And hangers are already provided for you, so that's another thing that you do not need to worry about. And you can see on the other side, even more drawer space for you, space up top for you to store things, and we have a safe for you here for any of your valuables. Now moving on to the bathroom. Each pair of rooms is connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. So 4 people will share one bathroom here that you can see. We also have a shower for people to share, and it's very spacious and there's plenty of storage for anything that you might need in there. There's also places for you to hang towels, anything else up here. And we have 2 sinks for you and even more space under each of those sinks. Each residence floor has a laundry room that has 2 washers and 2 dryers. They're completely free for students to use. We also have an ironing board in the wall here, and we also have an iron that students are welcome to use, a steamer if you prefer that, and some cleaning supplies in the corner here, and all of these are just free for students to come and use whenever they need. Each floor comes with its very own lounge that all students are welcome to use. In the lounges we can see there is a television. People can come in and watch things together if they would like. This floor also has a Nintendo Switch if people want to use that. There's musical instruments, plenty of seating. We also have a ping pong table right here. Over here there's also a bathroom in both lounges, so if anyone ever needs that, it is there and available. Up here we have plenty of board games if you're ever looking to have a game night. And finally here we have kitchen appliances that any student is welcome to use. So we have a Keurig, a toaster, another mini fridge and microwave. And over here we have a water filter, so if you ever need to get water, fill up your water bottle, this is always available for you. From the left-hand stairwell on the 8th floor, you can access our roof at any time. Just make sure to bring your ID because you'll need it to get back in out of the stairwell. This is our roof area. It's a great place for students to hang out, see the city. They can come up here anytime they want. We also sometimes have events up here. For example, we're having a Bible study up here tonight. And that is about it for our tour. Thank you so much for coming along with me, and we know that you will love Pepperdine, Washington, D.C., so see you there.